Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Jimsel J. Rendeza, a second year PSBA Marketing Management student, and today we are diving into a very important topic in the world of business. So it's about customer focus and total quality management, or TQM. If you want to learn how businesses put their customers in the heart of everything they do, then make sure to keep watching this video. Customer focus and total quality management. What is customer focus? Ang customer focus daw po ay isang pagtutok sa isang company sa pag-unawa at pagtugon sa mga pangangailangan, inaasahan at kasiyahan ng ating mga customers. Siyempre, sa TQM daw po, ang customer ay isang sentro ng lahat ng desisyon. Hindi lang natin iniisip kung paano gawin ang produkto, kundi kung paano natin mapapasaya at masusulit ang mga karanasan ng ating mga customers. Why is customer focus important? Number 1. Build a customer loyalty and trust. Siyempre, kapag satisfied na yung customers, bumabalik-balik sila at mas nagtitiwala sila dun sa brand or dun sa product na ibinebenta natin sa kanila. Number 2, increase sales and positive word of mouth. Ang satisfied daw po ng isang customers ay hindi lamang bumabalik-balik para bumili, kundi nagsasabi rin sila ng magagandang bagay tungkol sa ating mga produkto o serbisyo sa ibang tao. Sa ganitong mga paraan daw po ng recommendation ay natural na advertising at nakakatulong para dumami pa ang mga customers natin. Like for example, kung nagustuhan daw po ng isang tao yung ating product, posibleng ma-recommend niya ito sa mga kaibigan at dagdag pa ito sa ating benta para sa negosyo. Number 3, helps companies adapt to changing market needs. Siyempre, dito sa pamamagitan daw ng customers feedback, mas madali daw para sa company na mas malaman kung ano ang mga bagong pangangailangan o gusto ng market na nakakatulong ito para nakasabay sa mga trend o mapanatili pa rin natin yung competitive. How is customer focus implemented? Customer focus implemented by aligning company processes, culture, and strategies to prioritize customer satisfaction. Number 1, listening to customers by collecting feedback through surveys, review, or direct communications. Number 2, training employees by teaching staff to be empathic and responsive and solution-oriented. Number 3, personalizing service by offering tailored solution based on customers' preferences or history. Number 4, improving processes by streamlining service to reduce wait times or errors. Number 5, following up by checking in after a sale to ensure satisfaction and build loyalty. For example, a Starbucks implements customer focus by allowing customers to customize their drinks, training baristas to remember regular preferences, and using a mobile app for convenience and rewards, and enhancing the overall customer's experience. Impact of customer focus on TQM. Number 1, improves the quality of the products and service. Siyempre, sa pakikinig sa mga customer, mas nagagawang ayusin at i-improve yung mga product at service natin. And number 2, drives continuous improvement. Dito naman daw po ang feedback ng mga customers ay ginagamit para tuloy-tuloy yung pag-aayos at pagpapabuti sa mga pagpaprocess. Number 3, strengthen the company reputation and brand trust. Kapag daw nakikita ng mga customers na pinapahalagahan sila, mas nagtitiwala sila at mas gumaganda yung image ng ating company. Customer focus has a strong impact on total quality management. Nakakatulong ito sa pagpapabuti ng kabuuang kalidad dahil patuloy na natututo ang mga negosyo mula sa mga feedback, and it also drives continuous improvement and builds a strong, trustworthy brand image. For the conclusion, TQM or total quality management is not just about the product but about the people who use it. That's why customer focus should always be a priority. Remember, when the customer is happy, the business will grow. And yun lang po sa ngayon. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pakikinig and sana po ay meron po kayong naintindihan sa aking mga sinabi. Hi! And yun lang. Thank you!